What's going on, mother truckers? My good friend Michael Hess, Mr. McNasty, was at Trucking for Kids in California today, and the Nikola came out, and it just wanted to race every single truck, and so here it is racing a Peterbilt for the very first time ever.
Left lane, wow. That electric vehicle moves pretty dang good. And oh gosh, left lane, check that out. 1038.
I don't think this is a really good comparison of what's better. For one, they're just bobtailing. For two, I want to see a load behind that thing and a load on that Peterbilt and see who could pull stronger. And mother truckers, comment down below, what are your thoughts about this? But yeah, this is the first race between a Peterbilt and the Nikola electric semi-truck. Let me know what your thoughts are.